Good morning, friends. Yesterday we had discussed about the protozoa introductory part and classification, and in this video we will discuss about the protozoan borne disease such as malaria. So start with the malaria. So malaria is a life-threatening disease that is caused by the parasite and that are transmitted to people through the bites of infected female mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito. So basically malaria क्या है? That is malaria is a mosquito borne disease, right? And this is caused by the plasmodium. You have to remember the causative agent of malaria is plasmodium, right? This is a parasite. This is protozoan parasite, right? So here is the picture of, you can see the plasmodium, and this is the picture of female Anopheles mosquito. And female Anopheles mosquito act as a vector here, right? So here why we are calling mosquito or female Anopheles mosquito as a vector, because this is responsible for transmission of this plasmodium from one infected person to the another healthy person. So this is the carrier of this disease, right? So here we can see this is called, the main points are in malaria, two main points. One is this is caused by the plasmodium. These are the species of plasmodium like Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malari and Plasmodium falciparum. And this is spread by the mosquito. A vector पूछा जाता है, then this is female Anopheles mosquito that is responsible for the transmission of this disease from infected person to the healthy person, right? Like I said before, different species of plasmodium like Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malari and Plasmodium falciparum are responsible for the different type of malaria. Of these, malignant malaria that is caused by this Plasmodium falciparum, right? Plasmodium falciparum causes malignant malaria that is very this is most serious one, and this can be fatal if not treated. So here Plasmodium falciparum is the most serious one, and these are the species that causes different type of malaria. Now if we talk about the malaria parasite, that means we are talking about the plasmodium that require two hosts to complete their life cycle. One is human being and another one is female Anopheles mosquito, and it affects liver and RBC in human being, right? अगर symptoms की बात करते हैं, then malaria symptoms include fever, tiredness, vomiting and headache. Now let's talk about the malaria life cycle or plasmodium life cycle. So this is the picture of life cycle of plasmodium that I took from the NCERT class 12th biology, and here you can see this is the infected mosquito. This infectious mosquito carrying the sporozoites. Sporozoites are the infectious form of the plasmodium, right? So when they bite the human body, then what happens? These sporozoid or infectious form of plasmodium enter into the body, and these parasite reaches the liver through blood, right? So first they infect the human body with this sporozoid that enter through the mosquito, right? This is the female mosquito. Whenever it bites, it releases a sporozoid or infectious form of plasmodium into the blood, and how the blood, through blood, these parasite reaches the liver. Okay, then what they do first, parasite initially, that means sporozoid initially multiply within the liver cell and then attack the RBC, right? So here is the, you can see this is the RBCs of the cell. RBC, you can see RBC of the blood. This can be infected, right? This is infected with the sporozoid initially. So now you can understand that how the mosquito releases sporozoid into the human body, and then from human blood it enter into the liver, and from first it infects the liver cell, and after that it infects the RBC, and after that RBC ruptures. Here you can see this is the rupturing of RBC. RBC टूट जाती है, and there is a release of one toxin that is known as hemozoin, right? तो hemozoin यहाँ पे रिलीज हो रहा है, आप देख सकते हैं. So this hemozoin actually responsible for the chill and fever in human body, right? So you have to remember that after the rupturing of RBC, red blood cell, or erythrocyte, there is a release of substances that is known as hemozoin, that is a toxic substances that is responsible for the chill and fever every 3 to 4 आवर. जो भी आपको सिम्टम नजर आते हैं वो हीमोजोइन की वजह से होते हैं. एंड हीमोजोइन कहाँ से आता है? हीमोजोइन इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द आरबीसी, राइट, आफ्टर द इन्फेक्शन ऑफ स्पोरोजोइट. नाउ what happen again? Some of the parasite that reproduce asexually and produces gametes, right? So ये gametes भी produce करते हैं. यहाँ पर जो sexual stage है वो भी होती है. यहाँ पर you can see sexual stages where the gamete, female and male gametocyte produced, right, in the RBC, red blood cell. And if this is picked up by the, if female mosquito bite on this stage, then what they do? These female and male जो gametes हैं, they are picked up by the healthy mosquito. यहाँ पर देखिए आप, ये जो gametocyte है, अगर किसी healthy mosquito ने आपको bite किया तो it will enter in mosquito, right? So mosquito during while eating or while sucking the blood, they take this gametocyte also. So here is the starting of another cycle of these gametocytes that is produced in the human body, RBC, and that are picked up by the mosquito, right, with blood meal, and they matured here in the mosquito and they do fertilization, right? So what happen after fertilization? After fertilization, zygote develops and they produce more number of sporozoite, right? Here you can see the sporozoite, and these sporozoites are very infective. This is the mature infective stage of sporozoite that escape from the gut and migrate into the mosquito's salivary gland. Now these sporozoites remain in salivary gland, and when the mosquito bite another human, another healthy person, sporozoites are injected with the bite into the blood of human, right? So this is the cycle you can see. One is they require 2 hosts to complete their life cycle. One is human host. You can see this is the human host and this is the mosquito host, right? 2 hosts they required for their life cycle to complete their life cycle. Here you can see how the infected mosquito injected sporozoites into the human body, and from human blood they enter into the liver, right? And from liver they infect the RBC, and here the production of RBC rupture releases the hemozoin, that is toxic substances that causes fever and chill in human being. And after that, so many sexual gametes can also produce, like female and male gamete also produce, and these are picked up by the healthy mosquito, and here during the bite. And now these gametes after fertilization makes the lots of sporozoite, and that release it into the salivary gland of the mosquito, right? And this is the cycle you can see. This is the complete life cycle of protozoa Plasmodium parasite, right? Now come to the prevention of malaria. We should avoid mosquito bite by using insect repellent and covering your arm and legs using a mosquito net. So this is end of the story of malaria. We will continue with another disease, protozoa borne another disease. Thank you very much.